Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting screen share now. First, join the voice or video channel and tap Share Screen. Accept the Android or iOS permission prompt so Discord can capture your display. Once done, choose whether to share a single app window or your whole screen. Pick the app for cleaner output. You want the feed active before adjusting quality, because Discord reveals settings only while sharing. Make sure notifications are minimized so nothing private pops up during the next steps. Now that you're sharing, tap the floating screen share indicator to open the overlay menu. You'll see stream quality or resolution options. Tap that to reveal resolution and frame rate presets. Pick a higher resolution for clarity or lower to reduce bandwidth, 480p, 720p, or 1080p where available, and set frame rate to 15, 30, or 60 FPS depending on motion in your content. Adjust bitrate if the option exists. Higher bitrate improves quality but uses more mobile data. Apply the new quality settings and confirm with a viewer or by checking playback yourself. Make sure the change took effect. If you notice lag, dropped frames, or your phone heating up, reduce resolution or frame rate and consider switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi. If viewers still report issues, stop and restart screen share or fully restart the Discord app to clear transient glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if quality won't change, force close Discord. Reboot your device, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.